Hey everybody, I want to talk to the buyers out there that are in Arizona looking to buy a home. Right now, what I've been finding is to really kind of potentially get a better house for not competing with like a lot of buyers is some of these listing agents that are listing these homes and only providing a very small amount of time to go look at these homes is really kind of like something that I'm finding really good deals with. And the reason why is they're not allowing a lot of buyers going through these properties so they could actually view them, which means they have less people interested and people could kind of stay a little bit closer to the asking price. You might not have to compete, might not have to guarantee anything over appraised value, which is good for you as a buyer. So if you're looking to buy a home, please give me a call. I'd love to share all the stuff I'm seeing right now with the market and see whatever information I could do to provide to you to help you make a better decision, or also even help you out with the buying process. So give me a call. My name is Nathan Sherman. I'm with Libertas Real Estate. Look forward to hearing from you guys. You guys have a great day. Bye.